girl, look at the camera. Hey you guys, look at the camera. No. Hey you guys, what's going on? It's Game Queen back with another video, and today we are going to be doing Life as a Doctor, part 1. Let's get into the video. Close the door. So you guys, let's get right into the video. Bye. Hello, how may I help you? Hello? Hello? Ma'am? She's a doctor. Oh, hello. Nah. How may I help you? How may I help you? How may I help you, ma'am? You're very sick. Okay, will you just follow me really quick, please? That would be really helpful. Come with me. We're gonna have to do scans on you to test your throat. Just jump in the bed. Into the bed. And then that will be fine. So let me just turn on the monitor. Okay, I think that's all good. And we'll check you. Okay, the problem is you have a problem with your lungs and you aren't breathing properly. So we're gonna have to do surgery on you, if that is okay. If that's okay with... Okay, thank you, ma'am. Will you please follow me? Ma'am? Come on. We're going to have to take you to the latest surgery room, where a doctor should be... That doctor isn't a very good doctor, okay? Oh my god! That isn't supposed to happen, Miss Doctor Azalea. Okay, please just get into the room and I will click this button when you are ready. Just tell me when you are ready. Are you ready, ma'am? You have cracked your throat, so we are going to have to perform your throat bone. I don't know how you have done it. We will have to ask you some questions about that. But you have cracked your throat bone. Okay, so I'm going to have to perform surgery. We are going to have to perform surgery on you. So if that is okay with you, ma'am, we will begin the surgery now. Oh my gosh. So we will begin in the surgery, if that is okay with you. Okay, so that patient is quite done. Oh my gosh. She's very, quite a bit better. I'm just going to follow her really quick because I don't want her to die. Okay, so she's fine. She's going to go home and we'll wait for our next patient. Hello, how may I help you today? This is local Wigan hospital. How may I help you? How may I help you, ma'am? What is wrong with you? And then I will be able to help you once you tell me what is wrong. Ma'am? Ma'am, what's wrong? Just tell me what's wrong, and we can sort it out. Brains. Okay, what was the incident? And we'll sort it out from that. Okay, I'll do some research. Okay, just some research. That woman needs a doctor, and you are holding up the queue. I'm sorry, ma'am, but if you are not going to tell us what is wrong, you're going to have to go. Ma'am, you're going to have to go. Ma'am, that's not helping us. Ma'am, that isn't helping us. Give me brains. That isn't something that we do here unless you are in total pain and injury. I'm sorry, but I'm going to have to help Posh. Posh, what is wrong? Ma'am, I'm sorry, but you cannot be here no longer. Ma'am, will you please leave? Ma'am, that is not going to affect me. Ma'am, get out. Oh my god, backfire, backfire, stop the recording! Run! Isabel, we need to go! We need to go! We need to go! Isabel, we need to go! We need to run! Oh my god, music, turn it down! My volume's so high. Isabel, run to my eyes! Okay, I will now. I'm just literally running home. I need to teleport to you. I need to go 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 to you. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Where did she go? Get there. Oh. Oh, she's gonna teleport to us. Georgie only. If you can find me. Don't teleport. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared right now. I really don't want. Did she teleport? Did she teleport? I'm hiding on the bushes. I'm on that really... Isabel, I'm on that really high bush. Teleport to me if you must. Isabel, TP to me. And if she doesn't TP, she won't find us. I swear. We can actually run round here. So, we can run round. We can run round here, so she'll never find us. Even if she does teleport, we'll just run away. Also, we can jump down there, because she'll think you can't climb back up. Where is she? Is she still on the server? Where is she? Yeah, she is. Do you do me teleport to her and then teleport back to you? I'll do it. Oh, I need to click on emoji phone. Go to. I know, it said she was busy, so it didn't let me teleport. I think we should start running now for our lives. Just literally run around all these bushes. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, she teleported you guys. This is the best hiding place ever. She actually can't teleport if you click and edit your avatar. So we should hide and then do that. Oh my god. Guys, I'm just scared right now for my life. And if the recording stops, it's not because I stopped it. Oh my god, she's going the wrong way. So hi! Hello, darkness, my old friend! I've come to talk with you again. Okay, I'm gonna get out my my roller stuff and I'm gonna skate away. Oh my god. I'm on my roller skates. I'm on my roller skates. I'm gonna go on my skateboard, Isabel. Isabel, I'll lock my house. And if she comes into my house, I can just tell her to get out. She actually doesn't know where my house is either. Just did a bad thing. Oh my god. I know, I should probably add some beds really quick. Just did a bad thing. No! Out! My house! Georgia! No! My house! This mouse! My house! That why? Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. What? Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. Come back home to me. Oh my lord, why is everyone in my house? Isabel, we'll go into your house. Should I teleport? And then once we're at your house, Isabel, don't get into edit avatar yet, but once I get there, make sure you get into edit avatar, okay? Okay, get into edit avatar. Crap. Get into edit avatar. Oh my god. She can't teleport. Just did a bad thing. I'm gonna save this outfit because it's so cute. I'm gonna have to go to this and get this. Get this. Get this off and get this off because I'm gonna be a new person. Oh my god, I have to wear this. That's me. I can't wear that, I look stupid. Oh my gosh, that makes me look really weird. Oh my god. Oh, I've not actually said this in one of the videos yet, but thank you guys all so much for 899 subscribers. Guys, I'm actually have to end this video now, so because my time's running out. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button in the face. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. I upload almost every single day. Go subscribe to LD Shadow's channel, down link in the description below. And as always, I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.